Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are watching me for the very first time, then hi, my name is Sandhya Singh, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you guys this makeup look right here, which is very convenient to wear in summer and also don't look that much made up and looks so natural and glowy everyday kind of makeup look. So for creating this makeup look, the products that I've used are under rupees 400. Not only the makeup products but also the skincare that I've used are under rupees 400. So without wasting much of your time, let's just jump right in. So before beginning with our makeup look, make sure your face is all clean and sweat free. So I've already washed my face and I'm gonna move towards my first step, that is to use a toner. So for toner, either you can buy any toner from the market or you can use a rose water or gulab jal, which is really affordable and chemical free. So either you can directly apply rose water to your face or you can make like a rose water ice cube so that you can rub it on your face so that आपका face जो है वो जल्दी sweaty ना हो and also your face look more like brighten up for a longer period of time. So my next step is a moisturizer. Now it is really important to use a moisturizer even in summer. Now you can use a light moisturizer if you feel your skin is more oily, but do not skip a moisturizer. So I'm focusing on the areas that feels a little more drier than my whole face, that is around my eyes area, my nose and around my mouth. So after moisturizer, our next step is to use a good sunscreen, like with a good SPF. So for that, here I'm using this Wow AM 2 PM sunscreen. Now it is a water resistant sunscreen lotion, so you don't have to worry about like कि आपके like sweat के साथ wash off ना हो जाए. And also it has SPF 50, which is really nice. Now as you all guys know that Wow is a made in India brand and Wow के सारे products में कोई भी chemicals नहीं होते हैं. This particular product has no parabens, no silicone, no mineral oil and no benzophenone. It is cruelty free, 100% vegan and gluten free. And talking about its MRP, so it retails for rupees 385 for 100 ml, so it comes in our under 400 list. It has shelf life of 1 year and also you will get a QR code to check the authenticity of the product. So what you have to do is you have to apply a sunscreen 15 to 20 minutes before you step out in the sun, and also you have to reapply a sunscreen every 2 hours अगर आप ज़्यादा constant sun में है, so you have to reapply in every 2 hours. And if you are swimming or something like that, अगर आप अपने like body को directly wipe कर रहे हैं, so you have to apply in every 40 to 50 minutes. So we are done with our skin prep and we will just move towards our makeup. So guys, our skin is nice and prepped and also it's been good 2 to 3 minutes, so our skin has completely absorbed all the skincare that we have done. So now we can move towards our makeup. So our first step is to use a primer. Now primer क्या करता है, हमारी स्किन को एक बहुत ज़्यादा स्मूथ बेस प्रोवाइड करता है. And under 400 I have these two primers. One is from the Blue Heaven and the second one is from NY Bay. Now these both are silicone based primers and does their job really well. So after primer I'm going to use a concealer, and here I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 40 Caramel. Now I'm going to use this to the places where I have slightly like acne spots so that I can cover them up and my skin looks flawless.
Do you want to know?
Also I'm gonna apply this concealer around my mouth so that जितना भी pigmentation है वो भी इससे cover हो जाए.
Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen because
Now for blending this concealer I'm gonna use my fingers only because our fingers are nice and warm and ये blending में भी काफी help करते हैं.
the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling.
So as you can see कि मैंने सिर्फ concealer apply किया है and this made my face look instantly more brighten up and glowy. Now to set the concealer I'm gonna apply a compact. For that here I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me compact and my shade is 330 Toffee. So I'm gonna apply this with the help of this brush.
This time, baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby.
Also one thing more is that it has its own like a puff, but I'm not gonna use that.
Gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah. Boy.
So we are done with our base and we're gonna move towards our eyes. So for eyes I'm not gonna use any eyeshadow or eyeliner because in summers आप eyes पे जितना कम makeup wear करो उतना better रहता है. So for eyes I'm only gonna use a mascara. For that here I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Mascara. This is a waterproof variant. As you can see कि eyes जो है वो कितनी ज़्यादा instantly change लगती हैं after you apply mascara. So our next step is to use a blush. So blush क्या करता है हमारी skin को एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा healthy glow देता है. And for that here I'm gonna use this lipstick as a blush. So I'm gonna use this Maybelline Touch of Spice. So the shade of this lipstick is absolutely gorgeous. I love to wear this on my lips, but ये मुझे थोड़ा सा dull कर देता है because it's a little bit light for my skin tone. So I use this one as my blush. And it blends very well.
It's you and me on this beautiful day, and smiling, holding on to your tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright.
I don't know कि ये कैमरे में कितना शो हो रहा है, but in reality it looks really nice and natural. Now if you want आप same lipstick को as an eyeshadow भी use कर सकते हैं, but I'm gonna keep it really simple and I'm not gonna use this as my eyeshadow. So we are just left with our last step, and that is lipstick. For that I'm gonna use the same lipstick in different shade, that is in the shade Nude Nuance. So it is a very beautiful nude shade for my skin tone. And also I'm gonna pair this up with this lip liner from Me and Now. So I'm gonna apply this lip liner first and then I'm gonna apply this lipstick, and the shade of this lip liner is 072.
It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside.
So it's really creamy and also it gives you a really comfortable matte look.
There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day.
So yeah guys, this was end of this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. If you do, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and also link of all these products that I've used in this video will be mentioned in the description box down there. So do check that out, and also follow me on my Instagram. Link will be in the description box and on the screen. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel.